Building on a legacy of innovation in food and beverage manufacturing, Nelson Integrated specializes in custom washdown robotic case packing systems. Our case packing systems are designed to handle a variety of packaging types, including RSC and open-top display cases. Products can range from frozen food to clamshell packaging. Our systems feature stainless steel construction and proprietary designs built to thrive in rigorous washdown environments with quick, clean designs that minimize downtime and meet strict sanitation standards. Additionally, our latest items incorporate non-washdown variety case packing for wholesale distribution. With seamless SKU transitions and the ability to pack products vertically or horizontally, our solutions deliver precision, flexibility, and efficiency tailored to your unique production needs. When looking for case packing automation in food manufacturing, Nelson Integrated is your trusted partner for complete end-of-line systems.